Hey everyone, I want to show you thanks to RealScout, StreetText, and Follow Boss, you can have your lead generation on literally autopilot. So here are a whole bunch of leads coming in thanks to StreetText, and all of them are viewing properties. And I want to show you exactly how this is working. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to head over to RealScout. And here's an example here of a template that has been set up, and it's a downsize list. So if I clicked on the view criteria, it's just basically a list of homes that meet the criteria for a downsize list. And then there's also this little button here where you can edit tags. And the tag downsize has been added to this list of properties, which basically means that as soon as someone has the tag downsize in Follow Up Boss, they will automatically be added to this downsize list. So then what you're going to do is you're going to head over to StreetText. And if I was building, let's say, a downsize ad really quick, and I'm going to cruise over here all the way to the end. And as long as this tag downsize is added, and you could select any tags that you have, you could create another tag. The moment that you add this tag in, and you hit deploy and a lead is generated from this downsize ad and they show up in Follow Up Boss, you're automatically going to be added to this list. And then you will then be able to see all of the properties that they're viewing, how many properties they've viewed, if they've been saving properties. It's a phenomenal way to have very targeted follow up, and it's all done automatically. You don't have to do anything. It's all completely set up for you. So if you have any questions on that, please comment below the video. Thanks so much. And I hope you found this video helpful.